We all love little things that make life easier, and these 20 Amazon gadgets do exactly that. They're clever, affordable, and surprisingly useful in ways you didn't expect. One. The Upgrade Electric Warming Tray is the ultimate game changer for every kitchen and gathering space, featuring cutting-edge graphene full-surface heating technology that warms your food evenly and quickly. 6 customizable temperature settings to match any dish, a convenient 6-hour timer with auto shutoff for safety, and a sleek roll-up design that's easy to store and carry, perfect for dinner parties, holiday feasts, potlucks, or simply keeping your meals warm and ready without ever drying them out or reheating in the microwave, making every hosting moment effortless, elegant, and impressively convenient. 2. The 26x16-inch extra thick silicone baking mat is a must-have kitchen essential. Designed to upgrade your baking game with its oversized non-slip surface integrated measurement markings for precise dough shaping and ultra-durable reusable silicone that withstands high heat without warping, perfect for baking cookies, bread macarons, and pastries without the mess of parchment paper or the need for greasing, saving you time, effort, and waste while delivering consistent professional quality results every time you step into the kitchen. 3. The JISULIFE Handheld Mini Fan is a powerful 3-in-1 portable essential that combines a long-lasting cooling fan, built-in flashlight, and USB power bank in a sleek pocket-sized design offering up to 19 hours of breeze emergency lighting and on-the-go charging in one stylish device, making it the perfect summer companion for travel, outdoor events, concerts, or beauty routines. Especially for women who value both function and fashion in a compact pink package that fits right in your hand or handbag. 4. The Freestanding Mobile Cleaning Tool Storage Rack is a smart space-saving organizer designed to keep your brooms, mops, dusters, and cleaning tools upright, accessible, and neatly stored with no wall installation required, featuring a stable freestanding base, smooth rolling wheels for effortless mobility, and multiple adjustable slots that securely grip tools of various sizes, making it the perfect solution for decluttering your laundry room, kitchen, garage, or utility space, while bringing convenience, order, and flexibility to your daily cleaning routine. 5. The Zulay Kitchen Lemon Squeezer. Stainless steel is a premium heavy-duty citrus press crafted from solid metal with a sleek gold finish that effortlessly extracts every drop of juice from lemons, limes, and other small fruits without seeds or mess. Featuring an extra-large bowl for maximum yield, ergonomic handles for easy pressing, and rust-resistant stainless steel that's built to last, making it the perfect upgrade for any kitchen that values efficiency, durability, and elegant design in one powerful handheld juicing tool. 6. The 6-tier over-the-door towel rack is a smart space maximizing storage solution designed to instantly transform your bathroom with its sleek black metal frame featuring 6 spacious tiers for rolled or folded towels, a built-in storage basket for toiletries or accessories, and a no-drill over-the-door design that fits most standard doors, perfect for small bathrooms, apartments, or shared spaces where organization, convenience, and modern style are key to keeping everything neat, accessible, and clutter-free without taking up valuable floor or wall space. 7. The Elite Gourmet EGC115B Easy Egg Cooker is a compact yet powerful kitchen essential that lets you cook up to 7 eggs to perfection, whether soft, medium, or hard-boiled, with the push of a button, featuring a built-in auto shutoff BPA-free construction and a measuring cup with piercing pin for consistent results every time, making it the ideal solution for busy mornings, meal prep, or healthy snacking without the hassle of boiling water or watching the stove, all in a sleek black design that fits effortlessly into any kitchen setup. 8. The electric spin scrubber for cleaning bathroom is a cordless powerhouse designed to tackle stubborn grime and soap scum effortlessly, featuring a high torque motor with multiple brush heads, a long adjustable handle for reaching high tiles and deep tubs without bending or kneeling, and a rechargeable battery that delivers extended cleaning time, making it the ultimate solution for sparkling showers, spotless tiles, and gleaming bathtubs, while saving your back, your time, and your energy with every use. 9. The Cicily Black Sponge Holder for Kitchen Sink is a sleek and rust-proof 304 stainless steel organizer designed to keep your kitchen sink area neat and efficient. Featuring a dedicated high brush holder, spacious compartments for sponges, dish soap, and scrubbers, and a non-slip base that stays firmly in place even on wet surfaces, making it the perfect countertop essential for reducing clutter, speeding up dishwashing, and adding a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen routine. 10. The Magnetic Spice Rack for Refrigerator is a sleek and space-saving kitchen organizer that instantly transforms unused fridge or metal surfaces into functional storage, featuring strong magnetic backing for secure hold, 4 spacious shelves to neatly store spices, condiments, jars, or kitchen tools, and a durable black metal frame that adds a modern touch, making it the perfect clutter-busting solution for small kitchens, dorms, or RVs, where maximizing vertical space and keeping essentials within reach makes everyday cooking faster, easier, and way more organized. 11. The SUBEKYU dish brushes with soap dispenser are smart ergonomic scrubbers designed to make dishwashing faster and cleaner, featuring built-in soap dispensers for easy one-handed use, durable bristles that tackle grease and stuck-on food without scratching your cookware, and anti-slip handles that offer a secure, comfortable grip even when wet, making this 2-pack an ideal solution for effortlessly cleaning dishes, pans, and pots, while reducing soap waste and keeping your kitchen sink area neat, efficient, and mess-free. 12. The Fullstar Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer is a versatile 4-in-1 kitchen gadget that combines a high-efficiency chopper, slicer spiralizer, and storage container into one compact design featuring ultra-sharp interchangeable blades for precise cuts, a built-in catch tray to minimize mess, and a slip-resistant base for added stability, making it the perfect time-saving tool for effortlessly prepping vegetables, fruits, zoodles, and salads, while keeping your kitchen tidy, organized, and ready for healthier home-cooked meals every day. 13. The Whiskey Ice Ball Maker is a premium, easy-to-use silicone tray that creates perfectly round 2.2-inch ice spheres without the need for a funnel, featuring a leak-proof lid, quick-fill design, and effortless release system that delivers slow-melting crystal-clear ice balls ideal for whiskey bourbon cocktails or any elegant drink, making it a classy, reusable gift for spirit lovers who appreciate both function and finesse in every chilled pour. 14. The Carhud Head-Up Display P6 is a sleek and smart driving companion that projects real-time data like speed, RPM, voltage, and more directly onto your windshield, using both OBD and GPS modes, featuring a clear glare-free LED display, plug-and-play setup, and intelligent alarms to enhance safety, making it the perfect upgrade for drivers who want to keep their eyes on the road while monitoring essential car stats with precision style and futuristic convenience in any driving condition. 15. The Cordless Vacuum Cleaner 550WW is a powerful, ultra-convenient cleaning solution designed for modern homes, featuring 45 kPa strong suction, up to 60 minutes of runtime, a self-standing design, and a removable battery with charging dock station. This lightweight stick vacuum transforms effortlessly into a handheld unit, making it perfect for tackling pet hair, carpets, hard floors, and even car interiors with ease, while offering cordless freedom, deep cleaning performance, and sleek storage, all in one smart, high-powered device built to keep your space spotless with zero hassle. 16. The Ecolution patented Micro Pop Microwave Popcorn Popper is a fun, fast, and healthy way to enjoy theater-style popcorn at home. Featuring temperature-safe borosilicate glass, a clever 3-in-1 BPA-free lid that measures kernels and melts butter at the same time, and a dishwasher-safe design for effortless cleanup, this 3-quart popper lets you skip the oil, skip the bags, and still get perfectly popped, fluffy popcorn in minutes, making it the ultimate snack companion for movie nights, game days, or anytime cravings hit. 17. The Koonie USB Clip-On Fan is a compact yet powerful cooling solution designed for maximum flexibility and quiet comfort, featuring a strong clamp that securely attaches to desks, beds, or shelves, a 360-degree adjustable head for perfect airflow direction, 3 fan speeds, and USB-C corded power for consistent performance, making it the ideal personal fan for your home office or dorm when you need focused, ultra-quiet airflow in a sleek, space-saving design that fits anywhere. 18. The charging station for multiple devices is a powerful and clutter-free charging solution featuring 6 USB ports with 60 W total output. 7. Included mixed charging cables and a sleek dock design that keeps your smartphones, tablets, Kindles, iPhones, and iPads organized and fully powered all in one place, making it the perfect hub for families, offices, or tech lovers who want fast, simultaneous charging without the mess of tangled cords or scattered devices. 19. The 2-pack Damp Clean Duster Sponge is a versatile all-in-one cleaning tool designed to tackle the toughest grime in the trickiest spots, featuring super absorbent sponge material and a flexible ergonomic design that effortlessly wipes down baseboards, blinds, vents, window tracks, faucets, and glass surfaces, without sprays or chemicals, making it the ultimate mess-free solution for deep cleaning those often overlooked areas with ease, precision, and surprising satisfaction. 20. The Greater Goods High-Capacity Kitchen Scale is a sleek, precision-driven tool designed for serious home cooks and bakers, featuring a massive 10 kg 9.7 capacity 1G accuracy, responsive touch controls, and a crisp high-def LCD display on a durable stainless steel platform, making it the perfect companion for bulk meal prep. Baking by weight or portion control with confidence, efficiency, and a professional edge in every measurement. Click on the description below the video to get the product link. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to receive more exciting product recommendations. Thank you for watching and happy shopping!